How to add a security pin in HFM application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're wondering how to add a security pin on HFM to keep your account extra safe, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the HFM application on your device. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and click on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and click on Security Settings. Under Security Settings, toggle on the button right next to Use PIN. Now enter a new PIN you'd like to set up for your account, and you have enabled Use PIN function on HFM. Your HFM account now has an extra layer of security. Every time you make sensitive actions like withdrawals, your security PIN will be required. Adding a security PIN is a simple step that makes a big difference. It protects your funds, gives you peace of mind, and keeps your trading journey safe and smooth. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.